Hello Cricketers, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. In today's little chat, I am going to be unboxing my newest Cricut mystery box. Now, I'm sure you've probably seen some other crafters or content creators unbox theirs. However, we've been out of town, and when I got back in town, this was waiting for me at my front door, so I'm super excited to open it. Now, before I do open it, I am going to answer the question that I get asked the most about mystery boxes. How do you get a mystery box? Well, with the Cricut mystery box, they are released randomly. So there's not a set scheduled day or time that they are released. They are typically released, in my opinion, once a month, sometimes near the end or the middle of the month, and most often in the middle of the week. But with that being said, as I said before, they are not released at a specifically stated time. As soon as they are released and I get knowledge of it, I always post a link on my community tab right here on YouTube. I also post the link, I share the link in my Facebook group. And my word to the wise, or my word to any of you who are interested in getting the mystery box, is to click on the link and purchase it as quickly as possible, because they do go very, very fast. Another thing to note, when the mystery boxes have been released lately, all of them have had a cutie in them, and so that actually makes them go faster. And one other thing I would like to note is that they are open right now to Cricut Access members only. So if you are not a Cricut Access member, you will not be able to purchase a mystery box. However, I will post a link down below in the description box below this video that has a link for you to try Cricut Access membership if you haven't already done your free 30-day trial. So I do know there's a free 30-day trial for Cricut Access membership, and I suggest you just give it a try. I did, and I haven't regretted one day of it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this box open and see what's inside. I was so very excited when we got home actually last night, and this box was waiting for me at the front door. I was like, this is, in addition to being home after being gone for a few days, this was a very nice surprise. Okay, so I'm going to carefully open this because my address is on here, and that is not to be shared. Okay, so one thing that's in here, the first thing I see is a package of 2 standard grip mats. You can never, ever have enough mats. No matter how clean your mats are, no matter how many mats you have, you can never have enough mats. So I'm excited about that. And I have lots and lots of mats. I don't know if you can see those hanging on my wall. So before I go further, let me show you how it's packaged. This is how they're packaged, and it looks very exciting and appealing. Another question that I get asked a lot is, what is a mystery box? And the name mystery box kind of implies that what you're going to get is a mystery, right? Because it is a collection of Cricut items that have been deeply discounted. So once I did the math, and trust me, I always do because I am a shopaholic, I kind of calculate how much each item would cost if it were purchased separately. And what I've come to realize is the mystery box is a fantastic deal. So I paid right at about a little bit over $50 for this mystery box. But if I were to purchase each of these items separately, it would be over $100. I do believe the link for the last mystery box is still on my community tab if you're interested in just checking to see if there are any left. I'm not sure. All right, so I'm going to go through these materials and see what we have. All right, so the first thing I see is permanent glossy, it's premium vinyl textured metallic. Okay, and there are 3 sheets, and each sheet is 12 by 24. If you're wondering what size is 12 by 24, this is a package of 12 by 24 mats. And so you can see the difference. This is a 12 by 12 and this is a 12 by 24. So this is double the size of the 12 by 12. So if I were to open this, which I am, because I want you to be able to see what we're getting here. Oh, this is so pretty. So there are 3 colors in here. Okay, so they're 12 by 24 sheets. I'll just hold it out like this. All right, and there are, as I said, 3 colors. There's a black one. There is a, I don't want to tell you the wrong colors. Let me see if they're listed on here. They're called Dark Metal Sampler. I do not see the colors listed, and I don't want to tell you the wrong colors. It just says Dark Metal Sampler. So one looks like a bronze and one looks like a, I'm not sure what this color is. I'm really not sure. I don't want to call it the wrong color. It's in between a olive green maybe, but it's very pretty. All 3 colors are very, very pretty. Okay, so that is that. Then this is a premium vinyl shimmer. I've received this one before. There is 1 sheet in here and it is 12 by 48 inches, so it's actually longer than this. All right, so that is 12 by 48. That's 4 feet. I don't think I will open this one all the way. It's just premium vinyl and it's a shimmery gold color. Okay, I'm not going to open that one. All right, and this is, let's see, everyday iron on, and there are 3 colors and there are 3, so that means there are 3 sheets and each sheet is 12 by 12, so that's the same size as the standard grip mat. And let's see if they listed the 3 colors. It just says neutral sampler, so it looks like a white, a brown, and like a copperish color. Okay, so 3 sheets of heat transfer vinyl basically. CRICUT calls theirs everyday iron on. Everyday iron on is the same thing as heat transfer vinyl, which is the same thing as HTV. Okay, so don't let that confuse you. That was one of the things that confused me when I first started crafting. All right, this one is adhesive foil. There are, let's see what's in here. What are we getting? I'm definitely going to open this. Okay, it's 1 roll, 12 inches by 48. So this is also 4 feet of adhesive foil, and it is gold. Let's see what this, oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Even the tape is pretty. Even the tape is pretty. But look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, and I only unrolled half the sheet, but this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna roll that back up and put the label back on it because I definitely want to keep it under a good care until I get ready to use it. And on the packaging, there are some ideas for how to use it if you are curious as I am, because I'm really thinking about how I will use it. It comes with directions too for how to use it, so that is also a bonus. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, we'll just put this on the floor for now. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so you got another package of the extra fine point set Bohemian. I think these are the same pens that came in the Bohemian Beauty mystery box from last month. They look very similar, they're not the exact same. All right, there is a package of Faux Suede, the Rustic Sampler, also the same size as a standard grip mat. Okay, so this is 12 by 12. So there are 5 sheets in black, red, tan, caramel, and brown. And on the back, it gives you ideas for how to use it. So this is so pretty, so pretty. So let me see. And I don't want to really, okay, I'll take it out. Oh my goodness. So this is one of the sheets. Look how pretty that is. So there are 5 sheets, 12 by 12 each. If you have been with me for any length of time, you already know which one of these is my favorite. And there's that one. These are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. I think I'm probably the most excited about these. I'm very, very excited about these. So if you are calculating and doing the math, you already know this, just this stuff that I've opened so far is worth more than $50, okay? And I haven't even gotten to the bottom of the package yet. All right, so there is a package of glitter cardstock. It's a classic sampler. It says there are 10 sheets, 5 colors, two of each color. Okay, and there are, let's see. It did not list the colors like it did in the other one, but I can just look at these. There's gold. Leave a comment below and let me know what you like to see me craft from the items that I've opened. Leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see in one of my tutorials in the very, very near future. Okay, you can say, Delonda, I want to see you use the Faux Suede, or Delonda, I want to see you use the glitter cardstock, or I just want to see you use the standard grip mat. I can oblige that. Okay, so there is gold, 2 sheets of gold, 2 sheets of black, 2 sheets of silver. Easy enough so far. 2 sheets of, this just looks like almost holographic, but I guess it's considered as white. And then 2 sheets of maybe bronze-ish. I might be getting that one wrong. I'm pretty sure I've gotten that one wrong. But cute, really nice cardstock. Okay. So 10 sheets of glitter cardstock. But wait, there's more. There is a package of craft board sampler, okay? And there are, let's see, 30 sheets, 10 of each color. There are 10 white, 10 black, and 10 in what they call natural. So craft board is the thicker. It reminds me a lot of cardstock. It's just heavier. Okay, it says cut and score without cracking, tearing, or leaving a white score mark. Ideal for home decor, mini books, boxes, box cards, tags, banners, and more. Okay, I don't know if you can see my cutie banner back there. I made that out of cardstock, but I guess it would have been ideal for me to use this craft board, but I didn't know about this back then when I made that, the cutie banner. So I don't need to open this, but it's very much like cardstock. It's just more sturdy, or as I like to say, more sturdier. Okay, so that is it for that. All right. And last but certainly, definitely 100% last but not least is this little guy. And let's see what he looks like. I'm gonna pause the video for 1 second while I grab his friends so they can give him a proper hello. Okay, we're back. We have his friends because we want to be welcoming. We don't want them to just, we don't want to introduce someone new and not let them feel welcome here. Look how cute. You better be cute. Look at how cute he is. Look at, did y'all say hello? Good. Okay, good. They said it. You couldn't hear it, but they said hello. Look at you being super cute over here. Stand there with them. Okay. He fits right in. All right, so hopefully this was helpful and it is helping you make a decision on whether or not to jump in and try a mystery box. As you can tell, this mystery box was filled with goodies, and I can't wait to see your comments below to let me know what you'd like to see me make with some of the things that I've opened and showed here in this little unboxing. If you found this helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Turn on the bell for notifications so that you don't miss any of my unboxings or any of my tutorials. I do upload new content every single week without fail. All right, thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.